Welcome to CHEP, a global leader in pallet and container pooling services, serving over 60 countries and more than 350,000 customers across the world. At CHEP, we're committed to achieving zero harm, zero environmental damage, and zero injuries in the workforce. In everything we do, we consider the health and safety and environmental impact of our actions and decisions. All visitors must abide by the same health and safety standards as our employees. All visitors must enter through the front visitor entrance and sign in before entering the facility and check in with the office staff. Please ensure that you're parked in the visitor parking lot, and we always encourage you to back into your space as a best practice for pedestrian safety when you leave. There are many hazards you may be exposed to within our facility, so it's mandatory for all persons entering the operational floor to wear personal protection equipment, or PPE, and be accompanied by a CHEP employee at all times. The PPE that is required inside a CHEP facility includes, but not limited to, safety glasses, hearing protection, high visibility clothing or safety vests, and steel-toed boots or toe caps.
And hard hats may be required at the facility you're visiting today.
CHEP operates a very busy and fast-paced sort and repair facility. Hazards are all around you, and awareness of your surroundings is critical. For this reason, all visitors should be escorted by a CHEP employee, and please turn off your cell phone before entering the floor, and follow the pedestrian segregation barriers around the facility. Conveyors shall not be crossed over or interacted with during your tour of the facility. Please do not put any hands, arms, or lean over the conveyor system. Tippers, rollers, and any other piece of pallet moving equipment has an interlocking gate barrier system. Entrance into these areas is prohibited unless the proper access and controls are put into place. Although very rare and with plant manager approval, visitors
May be allowed to walk in
the storage area. Ask for forklift traffic in the area to stop until all personnel is out of the storage area. Repair tables provide many dangers that should be avoided. Be cautious when walking near a repair table, as our builders remove boards and cut screws that may leave the work area. If you need to approach a table, please ask the repair operator to stop work to ensure your safety. While walking in a CHEP facility, follow the marked paths and stop at corners before crossing intersections. Always keep an eye out on the forklifts to make sure the drivers can see you. Listen for horns and backup alarms, and operators may not see you if you're located in a blind spot. Be sure the forklift driver makes eye contact with you before proceeding. Visitors are not allowed to operate, move, or drive a CHEP-owned forklift. All visitors should not go into truck yards unless escorted, due to the unpredictability of trucks coming and leaving the facility. If your time at the facility is within the truck yard, you must wear high visibility clothing and steel-toed boots and follow any paths that are designed for pedestrians. Never walk between or behind trailers. Stay out of truck blind areas and always park in designated parking areas by backing into your spot. Indoor smoking is not allowed at any time inside a CHEP facility. There are designated locations outside the plants for smoking that are labeled. Please discard all cigarette butts in an ashtray and keep smoking areas clean at all times. Every visitor is responsible for their own tidiness, cleanliness, and hygiene at the CHEP facility. All waste that you produce must be removed at the end of your visit. In the event of an emergency, please exit the building from the nearest exit and meet at the marked rally points outside of the plant to ensure you're accounted for. Please do not leave the facility campus before instructed to. If you are injured or cause any type of facility damage during your time of visit, please contact plant management and follow any instructions that are given to you. CHEP is committed to put safety first. The health and safety of our employees, visitors, and contractors is the most important thing we do. Please sign the contractor visitor form agreeing to follow our policies and review the visitor pamphlet that should be provided to you today. We thank you for coming to our facility today and for your support with our zero harm culture.